only wish is that one day he has to be world #1 in the senior category, and he will surely be. I tell you, Yash is such a wonderful student. The most important thing I like about him is he is very, very humble. This success has never hit his head.
I'd like to thank St. Joseph's Institute for putting up such a nice show. It gives me, more encouragement to, bring more laurels, do wonders in the, coming future. And as for squash has, always, shown me the best moments in life. And as speaking about the US Junior Open, it was tough because I had to face a lot of challenges, climate-wise, because it was very cold, temperatures, dropping to -7, -8, and because jet lag, it was a 10.5-hour difference. It was a lot of challenges, in my way, but at the end I was able to, overcome the challenges and go through.
Yeah, today I think government of Goa has done less for squash, so I will be requesting the Chief Minister for some help for him, because he is financial support has to be given to sportsmen like him.